Hey there, my future coding wizards. Welcome to our beginner's guide to C++ programming. In this video, we're going to cover the basics of writing your very first C++ program. To get started, we'll need to include a special ingredient called the iostream library. Think of it like the flour of our recipe. Without it, our program just won't rise to the occasion. Don't worry if this seems a bit overwhelming at first. iostream? It sounds like a fancy way of saying I have no idea what I'm doing. But trust me, it's not as complicated as it seems. It just tells the compiler to include a header file called iostream, which contains functions for input and output operations. It's also called a preprocessor directive. Next, we'll need to define the main function. This is like the batter of our recipe. It's where we'll be putting all our other ingredients together. The main function is defined next, with the int keyword indicating that it returns an integer value. The opening and closing curly brace symbols enclose the body of the function, which is where the code to be executed is placed. And finally, we'll add the fun part. The toppings, if you will. We're going to print out the classic message that every programmer starts with, "Hello, world." Hello, world. The classic icebreaker of the programming world. Who doesn't want to say hello to the whole world? And that's it. We've baked our very first C++ program. There you have it, folks. A beginner's guide to writing your very first C++ program. Now, go forth, my coding wizards, and create something amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.